Hello kids, let's do quiz on max tables. Jump on the correct stone to cross the river. The frog has to jump on the correct stone, else it will fall down. What is 4 multiplied by 5? It jumps on 20. Yes, correct. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Do you want to play again? Yes. What is 3 multiplied by 7? The frog jumps on 21. Yes, correct. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Great job. Do you want to play again? Yes. What is 2 multiplied by 9? The frog jumps on 18. Yes, correct. Great job. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. Do you want to play again? Yes. What is 4 multiplied by 8? The frog jumps on 32. Yes, correct. 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. Do you want to play again? Yes. What is 5 multiplied by 7? The frog jumps on 35. Yes, correct. Great job. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. Do you want to play again? Yes. What is 3 multiplied by 9? The frog jumps on 24. Oh no, it's a wrong answer. 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. The frog fell down into the river. Bye bye kids. Hope you like our videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe us to watch more videos.